Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the StringBuilder class in Java and explore some of its commonly used methods such as append, insert, delete, replace, and reverse. StringBuilder is used when we need to modify strings frequently because it is mutable, meaning its content can be changed without creating new objects. Let's see the program step by step. We begin by creating a string builder object. Okay. If you see here I have created a string builder object called SB. The string builder is the built-in class in Java. As you know, Java class by convention, it starts with capital letter. Okay. So here the string builder object is initialized with the text beautiful. Then next statement is I'm finding the length. The length method returns the number of characters present in the string builder object. Okay. If you see the output, it is 9. Okay. Since the word beautiful contains 9 characters, the output will be string length is 9. Then we are going to see about how to append a text. So the method is sp dot append. Okay. So here I am appending with some spaces. Okay. These spaces also will be included. 10, 11, 12. Okay. This will be spaces and afterwards the index. So though here the number of characters is 9, L will be stored at 8. B will be stored at the index 0. As you know, the index starts with 0. Okay. This is the index 8. So number of characters is 9. Okay. The append method adds a new text at the end of the existing content. Already existing content is beautiful. Now you are adding prosperous. So before the word, I am just, if you see here, I have added with some spaces. Okay. So if you see here, I have added spaces. So you'll have this space. Otherwise, it will insert without any space prosperous. Okay. I have added spaces. So it has inserted at the end of the existing content. Okay. Now, next we'll see about the inserting. How to insert. Okay. So this is the statement sb.insert. It adds text at a specified position. Here the index I have given. Okay, from that index, it adds that. So 9 will be after L. Okay. So I am giving some space, one space, and I am giving the letters A and D. So it has inserted like this. Okay. Starting from the index, which index you want to index, that you have to give. Then the output of this after insert, okay, it has inserted beautiful and prosperous. Okay, this one. Next, how to delete. Okay, that we will see. So sp.delete, here I am giving from the index 10 and 13 is the exclusive index. That is 10, 11, 12 alone it will delete. Delete method removes characters from the starting index up to, but not including the ending index. The characters at indices 10, 11 and 12 are removed. Okay. So if you see here, that and will be deleted. Okay. So next is replace. Replace and reverse we'll see. Okay. Let I erase these things. Okay. So what is replace? From if you want a change, a substring, replace with the new characters means you can do that. Okay. So sb.replace. So here also if you see starting index is inclusive, end index exclusive. That means 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. The replace method substitutes partition of the string with the new text. Okay, this index, it replaces, even though already some existing characters are there, will replace with this substring. Okay. So the characters from the index 10 to 13 are replaced with the word also. Okay. So if I show you, next is a reverse. Just the reversing method reverses all the characters in the string builder object. Okay, I will show you the output. Okay, so here, if you see, after replace, so also, okay, instead of this spaces, also will be there. If you want to replace EAU, what you have to give? The starting index is 1, then 4. 1, comma 4 also means here it will replace starting index to ending index. Okay, that ending index minus 1, it will replace with that character. Here 10 to 14, this 10 to 14 is nothing but this position. So already space was there, that will be replaced. Not only spaces, any words, if I want to delete this part, you can do by giving correct indexes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. From 4th index, 5, 6, 7, 8 means 4, 9 you have to give. Okay. And reversing the string, just it reverses. So it is the last index becomes the first one. And if you see here, so beautiful B will be the last. Okay. So this is the reverse output. Okay. Let's summarize the method covered in this program. Okay. So here, if you see, length returns the number of characters, appends, adds text at the end, inserts text at a specified position, delete, remove selected characters. Okay. Replaces part of the text with new content. Reverses the entire string. Unlike the string class, string builder allows modifications without creating new objects, making it more efficient for frequent string operations. Thanks for watching.